How to see memories on Snapchat. Before guiding you through the steps, let me inform you that the Snapchat Memories is a feature that allows the Snapchatters to save their snaps and stories to a personal collection for later viewing. So, in order to see memories on Snapchat, just follow these steps. First thing first, open Snapchat, and when the camera section loads, you can simply tap on those two flashcards like icon at the bottom left corner, or the other thing you can do is you can simply swipe from the bottom to the top. So as you do that, you can easily get access to this memory section of Snapchat. So this is how we can easily see memories on a Snapchat. You can scroll and go to home section, camera roll, stories and my eyes only as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.